Intermittent fasting. So always around the full moon, I love to do a 48-hour fast. And the way I do this is I'll ease into it just with some fruits at the start, and then I'll do 24 hours water only, and then I'll ease back out of it with some fruits. It's very important to do this with care and not to just dive straight in and out, because you can really upset your digestive system and do more damage than good. So the main reasons that I am doing these 48-hour fasts is for cellular regeneration, or what's called autophagy. It's where broken or damaged cells are simply replaced. It's quite remarkable that the body will actually just replenish the cells. And it always makes me think about, way back when, a few thousand years ago, when we were hunter-gatherers and we would go on these extended periods without food because we simply couldn't find food. And I really feel like it's this primordial or real primal type thing that is occurring when we do it. So other benefits to it are just heightened mental clarity. After 24 hours of getting past the hunger pains and whatnot, you just have this elevated consciousness and real mental clarity. It's quite profound. And another thing, if you're a diabetic or you have trouble processing insulin, it really can regulate and help with your blood sugar and with your processing of glucose. It really is a benefit. All right, guys, so definitely worth it. And obviously anything that we do around full moon, I personally, I very much have a heightened sense of awareness around the full moon. And it's, a lot of people do. So I think when you do it around the full moon as well, it's even sort of like a double whammy in energy, so to say. But again, please, I cannot emphasize enough that to take real care when you do this. Don't jump in and jump out. Be well always, and have a great day, guys.